Students, now we will continue with the matrices, and the next part that we are going to study is about transpose of a matrix. Now remember, take any matrix A. Take any matrix A is equals to, say, some 2 cross 3 matrix, that is 2 3 4 6 minus 1 2. Then transpose of a matrix, which we will be denoting it by a dash or a raised to t, is the matrix which is obtained by interchanging the rows and columns of the original matrix. The original matrix here is A is equals to 2 4 minus 1 3 6 2. It is of order 2 cross 3. It is of order 2 cross 3. Now A dash here will be, now first column will be changed as first row here. So this will be 2 3 4 6 minus 1 2. So this is what is the transpose the matrix. Now remember, the order of this matrix is 3 cross 2. So what do you mean by a transpose of a matrix? Transpose of a matrix means the matrix which is obtained by interchanging the rows and columns of a original matrix. Now for example, as another example we can take, then let me consider the next matrix, which is B is equals to, which will be B is equals to 3 6 2 4. Now the order of this matrix is 2 cross 2. Now the matrix, transpose matrix, I am going to denote it by B dash. Now whatever is the rows will become the columns, and whatever are the columns will become the rows here. So take the first column, convert it into row. So it will be 3 2 6, second column will be second row. So though the order of this matrix is the same, since it is a square matrix where the number of rows will be equal to the number of columns, but you can see that the elements are changed here. So whatever are the column elements have become the row elements, and whatever are the row elements have become the column elements. Now they are some of the properties of this transpose matrix. Now the first that we are going to deal here is properties. The first property is the transpose of a transposed matrix is the matrix itself. Now you can take the look at this example only, B dash, where the matrix B is 3 6 2 4, and what is the matrix B dash? It is 3 2 6 4. Now I am going to consider the transpose of the transposed matrix that we have taken. So take the transpose of this matrix. Now transpose of this matrix is 3. Again interchange the rows and columns. So what do we get? We get 3 6 2 4, and 3 6 2 4 is the original matrix. So that is equals to B. Here I have taken it as A. Similarly here I have taken as the previous one. Now you can take the look at this example also. The original matrix is A is equals to 2 4 minus 1 3 6 2, and transpose matrix is this. Now take the transpose of this transposed matrix. Here I will take transpose of this transposed matrix. So convert the rows into columns. So it is 2 4 minus 1 3 6 2. So what is the order of this matrix? 2 cross 3. So this is the property. So the first property is transpose of the transposed matrix is the matrix itself. Now the next one is, you know what do you mean by K into A is a matrix which is obtained by multiplying each element of the matrix A by K. Now the next property is K into A will be K into A dash. Now that what do you mean is that you can multiply each element by a, or you can multiply each element by this thing. There you are not going to get any changes. One more property is that when you add these two matrices and take the transpose, that is equals to a dash plus b dash. And remember, this is very important. The multiplication is not a dash b dash but b dash into a dash. While we are taking the examples, there I will be taking it. So k into a transpose is k times a transpose. A plus b transpose is a transpose plus b transpose. Similarly, it will be good for minus sign also. And here this is very important one, that a into b transpose is b transpose into a transpose. B transpose into a transpose. Now these are the some of the properties of transpose matrix. Now based on this we are going to find the examples here based on the transpose matrix, and the one that I will be giving here is nothing but AB is equals to B complement into A complement. That we are going to see in today's lecture. Now let me take the matrix A to B. Some 2 3 6 2 4 3. The order of this matrix is 3 cross 2. And let me consider another matrix B which consists of 2 rows. So take it 2 1 3 2. So let me consider it as 2 cross 2. Are this multiplication, are there fit? Yes, because the number of row columns of the first matrix is equal to the number of rows of the second matrix. Then what I am going to do is first find what is AB. AB will be equal to 2 3 6 2 4 3 into the matrix 2 1 2 1 3 2. Now that will be equal to 2 into 2 is 4 plus 3 into 3 is 9. Then 2 into 1 is 2 plus 3 into 2 is 6. Then next one is 6 into 2 is 12 plus 6 into 2 is 12 plus 2 into 3 is 6. Then 6 plus 4. Then it will be 8 plus 9. 4 plus 6. Is it not? So this will be equal to 4 plus 9 is 13. 2 plus 6 is 8. 12 plus 6 is 18. This will be 10. This is 15. And this is 10. What is the order of this matrix? It is 3 cross 2. Remember, it will be 3 cross 2. Right? It is 3 cross 2. This is your AB matrix. Now take the transpose of this. AB transpose will be equal to 13, 18, 15, 8, 10, 10. What is the order of this matrix? 2 cross 3. So the order will change here. Now we are going to find B complement first. What is B complement now? B complement is 2 3 1 2. 2 3 2 3 1 2. So the order of this is 2 cross 2. Then similarly we are going to find A complement. A complement will be 2 6 4 to the first row, 2 6 4, and what is the second row? Second row is 3 2 3. 3 2 3. The order of this matrix is 2 cross 3. Now is B transpose into A transpose fit for matrix multiplication? Yes, because the number of columns of the first matrix is equal to the number of rows of the second matrix. Now that will be 2 into 2 is 4 plus 3 into 3 is 9. Then 2 into 6 is 12 plus 3 into 2 is 6. 2 into 4 is 8. 3 into 2 into 4, 3 into 3 is 9 plus 9 here. Now the next one, 1 into 2 is 2 plus first column, 2 plus 3 is 6. Then 6 plus 4, 6 plus 4. Then the next one will be 6 plus 4. Then the next one will be 4 plus 4. It is 4 plus 2 into 3 is 6. So what is the answer that you are going to get? 4 plus 9 is 13. This is 18. This is 15. This is 8, 10, 10. What is the order? The order is 2 cross 3. So if you can look at this matrix and AB matrix, they are one and the same. So that's the result. So in the next classes we shall continue with the other problems based on transpose. Thank you.